Hello and welcome along people to another one of my little videos. Welcome to round 6 of the ACU F.S.R.A British F2 Sidecar Championship from KnockHill, Scotland. I'm going to break this video, or these next series of videos, down into 4 videos. There was only 2 races, but I did lots of interviews. I'll explain more as we go along. Let's get into the video. I'll see you after the credits. So this is race 1. Now in Scotland, you're not allowed onboard cameras. Having said that, we did get permission to put cameras on in practice only. So on day 1, I put cameras on Brian O'Larry and Arlo Brown, and they did a couple of laps. And their quickest lap I shall show you in this video. And on day 2, I put a camera on Lee Crawford and Jake Lowther, and they posted a quick lap, and that is very interesting to watch, but that's going to be in a separate video coming soon. I shall explain. Because we're not allowed onboard cameras, I thought I have to try and be slightly creative. So what I did was use that camera there to video the race from the sideline. It's not as good as onboard stuff, admittedly, but that's all we've got to work with. So also, I interviewed the top 3 in Cup and the top 3 in Supers. The top 3 in Cup is going to be one video, and the top 3 in Supers is going to be another video coming in the next couple of weeks. Anyway, this video is going to be about race 1. Let's get into the race. Okay, so this is not the race. This is Brian O'Larry and Arlo Brown, Team Powerhouse Suzuki, going around KnockHill circuit in practice. Enjoy. Unfortunately, we don't get to see the start of the race close up. Lee Crawford and Jake Lowther made a fantastic start from pole position, closely followed by the rest of the grid. KnockHill race circuit itself is a demanding 1.3 mile lap, with a unique series of twists, drops and climbs. From the highest to the lowest, the difference is about 200 feet, all packed into 1.3 miles. The average lap time for an F2 sidecar around KnockHill is about 56 seconds, so no time to rest. Blink and you're gonna miss it. It was Pete Founds and Jevon Wormsley's first visit to KnockHill, and their weekend was full of mixed fortune. Whilst the Crow brothers were putting on a good show in second place, Pete and Jevon were catching them lap after lap. Unfortunately, coming into the last corner on lap 9, there was a coming together, a racing incident, putting both teams out of the race. On such a short circuit, with such a short lap time, lapped traffic is always going to be inevitable. Oh, it's a tight squeeze for Lee and Jake as they try and make their way past. Were not the only team to get caught out at this part of the circuit over the weekend. Brian said he was having problems with his sidecar tyre and would change it for race 2. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't liked this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to ding dong the notification bell. That way you'll never ever miss another episode here on the Mad Leprechaun. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Like and share. Spread the news about sidecars. Take care, look after yourself, and see you again soon. Bye-bye.
You dirty bastard! You're on time, man. Oh!